Hey guys, I'm back with a new recipe, and it's Sunday today, and I'm doing Yorkshire pudding. So nice. This one, guys, have a look. So fucking beautiful, huh? Lovely. How can a Sunday be complete without a Yorkshire pudding? So let me show you how we make it. To cook the Yorkshire pudding, you need equal volumes of milk, equal volume of egg, and equal volume of flour. Pour this egg into this container, same volume of milk, the same volume of flour. So make sure you need a blender. So once you mix equal volumes of flour, equal volume of egg, equal volume of milk, you get something like this. This is our Yorkshire pudding, and this has to be the one of the most fluffiest pancake kind of thing you will ever see. It's unseasoned. We have these molds here, square molds. These have like small pores in it. All the pan one go we can make around 20 Yorkshire pudding. So this is all filled with oil. I'll put this in the oven on a high heat to heat the oil that's going inside. So it's oil, just be gentle with it, otherwise it can give you a lot of damage. Oil is sizzling hot now. Ooh, here are the oil. The second one, pour some. Ooh, lovely. I hope you can hear the sizzling. The pudding mix on the pan. I will put that back into the oven. Just like this, I'll close it. Temperature, high heat, I would keep around 195. 16-17 minutes, and it will bloom like a flower. And let me show you the world's fluffiest pancake. And now it has started to bloom out, and they are looking so beautiful. Let me show you. Ooh, lovely. This one. And that's how you make a Yorkshire pudding. Very nice. Yorkshire pudding, guys, I made it now, freshly baked. And let me show you how it is from inside, how beautiful they are, how airy. So is my Yorkshire pudding. I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna show you if you can hear the sound. It's crackling, and see here in the middle how airy it is. This have got so much of air filled inside. Let me turn in this side. Yeah, here. Ooh, so airy on all the sides. Lovely. And that's how you make a good Yorkshire pudding, guys. The most fluffiest pancake, unseasoned, just with little salt. It have got no sugar in it, but if you want to make the fluffiest pancake, you can add sugar and make a sweet Yorkshire pudding. That's all from now, and I hope to see you again in the next video with a new recipe, with a new video, guys. And thank you for watching my channel. Keep blessing, keep your showers, keep supporting, guys. Like, subscribe, comment on my YouTube channel. That's it from me, and thank you, guys. Have a lovely day.